Hey, what is up, everybody? Dalton with Byrider Madison. Wanted to make just a fun little video for you. Something that some people might not know. And I want to do this video on Jeeps. So, one thing some people might not know is Jeeps. I'm not sure if it's all Jeeps or just some certain Jeeps, but Jeep does a thing with Easter eggs with their vehicles. Some things that I've heard about is they will put what the grills look like. They'll put like a little etching in the headlights that you can see. Another thing is I've heard they put like a little sketch or like little 3D printed like lizard or gecko somewhere on the vehicle that you can find. Otherwise, another one is like they'll put like another 3D sketched or like 3D printed spider like around the gas cap, like around the inside where when you take the lid off. That's just one little fun fact that I'm not sure if everybody knows about. But yeah, Jeep does Easter eggs with their car. Definitely, if you have a Jeep, look around on it, see if you can't find a lizard, a spider, or look in the headlights, see if you can't see the grill, etched into your headlight. But yeah, I'm sure there might be more coming down the road, but those are just some that I know about. Little fun fact, if you are looking for a vehicle, possibly a Jeep, give me a call. I'd love to try and get you a vehicle, especially if credit's a tough time for you. 608-663-1213. Dalton, Byrider Madison, always here to help. Talk to you soon. Bye.